trying to fill the future of children with happiness. This is the first duty of every parent. Those whom you have brought into this world and in the future, by whose deeds the world will also find you. What could be more important than planning their future happiness? But happiness and security, are they not obtained by human actions? Good or bad rights given by parents to their children, worthy or unworthy education given to them, is not the origin of all their actions today. The character of a human being is formed by the rights and education. That is, whatever character is made by the parents, the future of their children becomes the same. But still, most of the parents, in worrying about securing the future of their children, forget the task of building the character of them. In fact, parents who worry about the future of their children are unable to bring any benefit to them. But parents who build their character instead of worrying about the future, those children are praised all over the world. Thank you, sir.